That's right, it's a stick. Speaking of sticks, I've got a couple of disposable vape sticks on hand. 3 to be exact. I got them thanks to people who aren't very concerned about the environment. They were lying on the street as garbage. The sticks, that is. You'll be surprised, but there actually are valuable parts inside that I'm intending to harvest. Now let's get to gutting this jolly bunch. Oh, welcome to Soulful Crafts, by the way. The disassembly process is pretty much straightforward. You just need to pry one of the ends open and here are the insides. Inside there is the evaporation coil, a switch, and basically the main part that I'm hunting for, a rechargeable lithium battery. Yes, I know what you're thinking. What a smart move to put a rechargeable battery into a disposable device. But who am I to judge? I'm a beneficiary of this smart move after all. Although this switch is pretty much useless for DIY projects, its function is pretty intriguing. It triggers a transistor output level when passing airflow is detected. I guess its main purpose is detecting if something blows. I definitely should make a digital blow meter someday. You point it at something and it says, "Yeah, that blows alright," and then shiny light goes on. Now, back to the reason I'm doing this. These are 400 mAh rechargeable batteries that we've looted, so hopefully a 1.2k mAh total capacity. Let's solder positive and negative leads to them and check out the remaining voltage. Okay, these two look fine, their voltages are in normal range for a discharged battery. But the third one might be a lost cause, cause its voltage is in dead or no return zone. But I'll try to charge all of them anyway and then see how they feel. Yeah, I have a fancy charging setup here, can't get around to giving it a neat look with no loose wires. Maybe someday. Okay, our loot is fully charged and ready to meet their relatives. I didn't check their capacity because the practice shows that the ones that are in normal discharged voltage range usually are of nominal capacity. As for those from a dead zone pool, if the charging time is relative to the time of a good battery, then their capacity is close to nominal. This was the case for this particular batch. In the nearest future I'll show you some projects that make use of these free power sources. Hope that this video was of any value to you. If you like this video, please consider liking or subscribing, or liking and subscribing. And if you didn't like this video, you can share it with a person that annoys you, just to annoy them. Thanks for watching, take care, see you next time.